When a person dies without an estate plan, a lot of issues may arise, amongst which is that the courts may be forced to make certain crucial decisions for the deceased, such as appointment of guardians for the deceased infant children, appointment of personal representatives to administer the deceased estates, dissolution of businesses, and so on. Now, whilst this can be quite an expensive process, it may also lead to major family disputes. And in order to prevent all of these issues, it is important to put an estate plan in place. So in this video, I will be sharing 5 tools that may be used to effectively plan your estate. So sit back, relax, and don't go anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is and I'm your family lawyer. So when we say estate, what do we mean? A lot of people misconstrue the meaning of estate and just limit it to real estate. In family law, when we say estate, we mean everything that a person owns. So we are talking real properties such as buildings, bare lands, and so on. We're talking personal chattels, we're talking insurance, bonds, stock, shares, monies in the bank, intellectual properties, businesses, and so on. So we literally mean everything, emphasis on everything that a person owns. So from the smallest to the biggest, from the movable to the immovable, we mean everything that a person owns. So how do you ensure that when the inevitable happens, your estate is properly administered and your assets are distributed according to your wish? That brings us to 5 estate planning tools that I will be sharing in this video. 1, wills. Yes. A will allows you to effectively plan your estate. So a will allows you to do a wide range of things, really. So you could give instructions, burial instructions, and other type of instructions. You could appoint guardians for your infant children if you have infant children. You could appoint, executors to administer your estate. That way you know who you are picking, you know the person's capacity, you know their strong points, and you know, okay, this person is good with finances. This my friend is an event planner. She may be able to, plan 1 or 2. This other person is an auditor. May be able to audit my bank statement and all of that. So you know the people you are picking. Your will can help you to distribute your assets, so you know who gets what and what goes to who. So, 2 billion naira in GTB, I give it to Ehi. 10 million naira in Access Bank, I give it to Sandra. 20 million naira in so, I give it to Mr. B. 2, power of attorney. Yes, so a power of attorney can also allow you effectively plan your estate to an extent. Emphasis on extent. So you could execute a power of attorney delegating or donating powers to somebody called a donee to perform certain actions on your behalf. Again, emphasis on certain. So a power of attorney is actually restricted in scope when it comes to planning estate and all of that. You cannot transfer title with a power of attorney, but you could donate power or delegate power to someone to help you do certain acts. You could donate power to somebody to help you manage certain property and to help you institute actions in court and all of that. 3, life insurance. So you could actually have a life insurance in place. That way you are sure that your beneficiaries are adequately catered for. Now, a life insurance may not allow you to distribute other forms of assets and all of that, but you are certain that your beneficiaries will be taken care of. 4, deed of gifts. So this is also called a gift inter vivos. This means that you are transferring the ownership of your properties to a beneficiary whilst you are still alive. So you are still alive, you're not contemplating death and anything like that, but you just know that this is my house in Banana Island, though. As a form of estate planning, I think I should just give it to Ehi while I'm still alive. So you execute the necessary documentations to that effect and you're good. Now, the 5th estate planning tool I want to talk about in this video are trust. So you can establish living trust in your lifetime, transferring your properties to a trustee to hold in trust for a beneficiary. So when you establish a trust, what that means is that you are transferring your properties to a trustee to hold those properties and manage those properties on behalf of a named beneficiary. So this is different from deed of gift, because even though you are doing it in your lifetime, you're not transferring it directly to the beneficiary. You're transferring it to a middleman called the trustee, who is holding it on behalf of the beneficiary. Now, these 5 estate planning tools have their advantages and disadvantages, and some of them are more suitable than the others depending on what you hope to achieve. So I would need to compare these 5 estate planning tools so that you can better understand their suitability depending on the circumstance or situation that you are faced with. But that will be in the next video. So guys, kindly click the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, and turn on post bell notifications so that you'll be notified when that video drops. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't hesitate to share this video with as many people as you can share it with, because information is power. And guys, as I would always say, use the comment section. The comment section is for you guys. Use it. Ask questions, share your ideas, share opinions, express yourself. And if you have anything that you'd rather not leave in the comment section and you want to discuss with me directly, please do not hesitate to reach me on Instagram at your_familylawyer.ng, and I'm all yours. Okay guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.